Theme Park DNA here. Today we're going to be unboxing an Ultrasabers order I recently made. I've got 5 Mystery Box Sabers here. This is one of my spring rifle entries. So let's jump right in. This order arrived relatively quickly. I believe there was only 3 days difference in the order and the notification, which I was really excited about. Alright, first off I've got my t-shirt, which was part of the promotion. Well, it really is random. I requested a specific size in the notes section, which I didn't get, but still I'm happy for the t-shirt. So Ultrasabers logo on the front. Ultrasabers, anything else is just a toy on the back. Got our random blade plug. Let's see which one we got. And it's just the regular one, so that will give me 4 of the same blade plug now. Allen keys and the usual 2 business cards. Whoa, wait a minute. They put in an extra card this time. Look at that, 3 cards. Let's jump right in. Let's get that box out of the way. Alright, well, it looks like these are individually wrapped in bubble wrap. So, this looks like this is the free initiate. Alright, so this is going to be an Initiate V4. It does have an emitter windows and an AV switch, which is new for me. Usually the free initiates have been the V2 with no special upgrade, so that's nice. And it looks like we got a loose battery. Yep, there it is. No Velcro on it, which is why it came loose. Alright, Guardian Blue. I think every free initiate I've gotten has been Guardian Blue. Still, I'm happy with the V4 with the emitter windows. Looks good. Looks like we'll have 2 to go. Alright, here we have a Aon V4. We've got the vented pommel, of course, because these are all supposed to be sound sabers. No emitter windows. We have the guarded switch. Looks like that's an Arctic blue. Well, that fires right up. No delay, so that tells me that's going to be an Obsidian Light soundboard. We'll take a look and see. No, it does have the port here. Alright, next up, this is going to be a Dark Sentinel LE, which looks really good. No emitter windows, and we do have an AV switch again. It'll be in blazing red. Let's take a look inside. Same setup as before. Looks like the regular Obsidian soundboard. Alright, this time up, this is going to be the Dark Apprentice LE V4. No emitter windows. This is going to be my free mystery box, I believe. No sound. It's got a solid pommel here, and it's in fire orange. Looks really good. I really like these. The Apprentice is the little brother to the Sentinel there. Looks like these last three are all bundled together. Alright, next up we have the Dominics V3. Of course, it's a sound saber with an AV switch. Consular green. I just wanted to point out earlier, I did order a couple of these in the heavy grade blades, and so you can see the difference in the thicker walled, where this one and that one are both heavy grade, and these with the lighter color are the mid grade. The diffusion paper is closer to the surface because the wall of the blade is thinner. Take a look inside here. Same setup as the others. This is going to be the Aon V4. Vented pommel, guarded switch, and Arctic blue again. No flash on clash on any of these. Alright, this last one is going to be the Arbiter. It's going to be an Arbiter. It's my first time having a hands on an Arbiter. There'll be a full review to follow. Vented pommel. No emitter windows. Have a guarded switch. And consular green. Now that sound was different, but this might be the difference in the pommel not being open. I don't think so though. Let's different sound font. No flash on clash. Take a look on the inside. If you like this content, please subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so that you get notifications on all our future content. And that's going to do it for today. Thanks for watching.